Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel techyrators. In this video, I'll show you how to break Kali Linux password with the help of single user mode. In my previous video, I show you how to enter into single user mode in Kali Linux operating system. And in this video, I show you how to use single user mode to break your password. Just follow my instruction and let's get started. So now think you are at the screen and you forgot your password. First thing you need to remind that this video is for educational purpose only. And after this screen you need to restart your system. Restart. And after restarting you need to wait for the blue screen to come. After this screen you need to press E, and from the bottom third line you have to change something, that is change this RO to RW, that is read only to read and write. And at the end of the line you need to write init is equal to /bin/bash and then press Ctrl X to enter into single user mode. So you are in the single user mode. After this you need to simply type command, that is passwd password, enter, and select a new password for root user. So choose any password and enter. Retype your new password. So password updated successfully. And if you want to change another user password, so same password and your username, that is techyrators, enter, and your new password, enter. Retype your new password, enter, and password updated successfully. Now you have to reboot your screen. Reboot. System has not been booted with system as init system PID can't operate. Boot. Okay, log out, exit. The system restart automatically. Now you have to wait till the end. System is restarting. It takes a little bit. Now enter your password. First your username, that is root, and your new password, and enter. So now your password updated successfully. So in future or anytime if you forgot your password, you don't want to take tension. Just go into single user mode and update your password. So if you like my video, do hit the like button and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and do hit the bell icon to get all updates on my channel. And in future I'm uploading a shell scripting beginner tutorial, so get updated by clicking on the bell icon. Now for bye bye.